Mama J's cooking channel, to Mama J's cooking channel. You know the girl for toenail Ellis. And my hair lash. You know exactly what I mean. Jamaican, you know what I mean. Tastes good.
Yeah, man. Let's Beverly James.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Belly.
Yeah.
Rich.
Yeah.
I kick out all the way out, man. I tell you.
See, man. Yeah,
Come on, man.
Deal with it, man. Just me.
Hi guys. So we're going heading into Teste's. What's your name again? Ferry. Teste's by the ferry. I know that's so. Oh my God, so. You don't even know where I go. You don't even know. Come here, baby.
What's wrong with you?
So she never set it up. She never set it up backside. You know, cool. I'm a bit hard, eh? Much of jerk chicken patty? Yeah, poor girl. I think this.
See, John, look how easy. Alright, Johnny. Alright, look, I'm going to show you the stage I'm going to tell you about. See? Alright, you start from up there, so. Where you start from? You start from there, so. See? And you come round. So you come round, watch how you come round. See? You come right round. See you come round? You come round and then you land down there, so. You see me? Alright, let me show you from around there, so, if you can see it. See you come there? See that? This is a spiral case I'm talking about. Look where it goes. Spiral, it just go right round. You see me? Pure one can in there happy so way up, but it can't spiral from there. So. See there? Yeah, come on. See there? This is not happy, mate. This is not happy there. It's not really hard to do. Sit down to build that. It's not hard to build at all. So come down. Start from the side of start spiral right round, right round, right round, right round until you reach and go. You see me? Like you're going in a circle. It's not hard. Alright guys. We're from Mama J kitchen. Going to buy some Teste's patty. Out on the highway, Vanishon highway. Just as they leave out a 3 mile coming down, you will see it. This is right in the corner. And you let's say on your left hand going to Spanish Town. You will see it. Can't wrong. As you come there, you see the big Teste sign there. Yeah, we're going there buy some juice and some patty. And see, if you notice, you will see the big something right around here. So can't miss it, man. As long as you're on your right, you will see it. Alright? Can't wrong. Alright. Yeah, man. Mama J.
Hi guys. Teste's patty.
Yeah.
You need some. I carry some for you. How are you?
Man, I'm catch Breadfruit. That's right. Catch it to the back. See that? Shit. I catch all the jelly. Said we though. It's country scale, you know? Yeah, man.
See someone find a side here, so man.
Too right, also.
Have fun.
Yeah, Breadfruit are nice too.
And restaurant around.
Oh, yeah, Breadfruit, yeah,
Nah, I'm picking them before Friday. I do 4 of them, I'll pick it up. I can't pick no more than that.
See that?
Friday morning, need to go out there later.
I'm on Breadfruit Pine Tree, man.
I'm 4 to get. 4 to get 2. You want to know where sticker come there one night?
You are right to stick this, sir. Low limb. Come down. You don't have to go higher now. Right, yes, sir. A 4 inch.
No, I don't like when you sit down there.
2 gone. Good man, sleep good.
Yeah, but when you sit down, so every little deer, you can't catch up back.
Oh, come on, that's for sure.
We want to catch it. You see it?
Are we outside?
When I see it on the other side, no, need it.
Another one every bit. I want a green channel. At the bottom, at the one on the side with. Yeah. 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 Oh, that's
Hold on, Nini. You see him? You can't catch that one there, no?
Pick that one up to
Catch
you.
that
That
Yeah.
Boss, see them? Boss, them catch them off a tree.
You ready, man?
outside, you are looking.
Pick them and catch them. You know, with a bag.
You ready, man, for out or something? Yeah, man. Go on, go on.
Man, they're full, man.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Go on, do your thing, man. Anyone of them?
And then you couldn't catch a one
Yeah,
there fast. That's how far. That is it. Yeah, man. Yes, I am. Keep them and catch them, you see me? So it work down here, you know? Yeah, man. They don't drop at all now, butter. None of them. You see me? None of them no butter at all. And drop nice. Nice breadfruit. Yeah, man. You know? Nice roasting breadfruit, this. You know? So man, I give you some breadfruit and foreign stuff, roasting breadfruit. I don't know what them I talk about. See what roasting breadfruit look like, yeah. See me? Yeah, man. See there? Them are roasting breadfruit. Nice. So then yellow and nice. Them the sweet like a bread. Trust me, when I eat them, I think I eat real bread. Hey, ain't it? Yeah, man. That is it, man. Trust me, for real, man.
Go back. And then one get good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you get 1 5 a day. And put up the money. When you come there, I say, boy, I want, if you want 2 weeks, you just have to back off.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for back off.
Yeah,
As long as the carry money come still, you know.
money have to come, then money don't come, you don't come.
Yes. Yes, then I go in the vehicle, guys. You see me? I show for Mama J cooking channel.
What me want to the Breadfruit, man?
You know? That one I think they call Nooni in the upper
Oh,
thing.
yeah, 5 minutes, you want to the Breadfruit.
Hold on there, my brother. Yo, so come by Paul, come here. I'm back. Yeah, so we Jamaican we do it, you see me? Yeah, man. Ah, family. Yeah.
I can't roast. I can actually want a black. Breadfruit, they're coming on.
Just start coming. True, man. It's there. I'm there. Yeah. It's true, that's tall, you know, man. You can't catch that, Nini. And you can't catch any drip from way up there, so. At least, I feel like I'm in the man with coconut. Yes, another country man we have dealing with coconut. You see? Pop up that real quick. You see me? Just jam them, boom. Yeah. Clear that. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Just like that. man. Yeah, man. See? Just like that. That is it. Yeah, coming look good. Nearly. You see, like you see something like that.
Yeah, why?
My kitchen. Long as you can see it. See my drop it, and that drop.
Why?
Can't catch it.
Ah, yeah.
Soon pick up on that tree. One catch it, yeah, that's all. Catch with the ball. Yeah, that is it. As long as you can see it, you can't catch it. See it? Yeah. That's a come from way up there, so. I didn't catch it from up there, so. Come down the ground here, so. They call them a macabre fruit. You know them, yeah? Yeah. Them are the macabre fruit. Yeah, man. Right, good, you know. Good too. And so you can use a newspaper. Yeah, man. Just come with that. We work with this.
I get 2 hours and I get put this there.
Mm-hmm.
Once we can roast breadfruit to the, I get 2 roasts to them.
Mm-hmm. You have to roast on the place, man.
Mm-hmm. Come on, jokes and forth there.
Yeah. Yes, I saw them do it, just see me. What is it, man? Trust me. Yo! Alright. Alright, give me a work for them. Alright, boss man, I'll put on your son now. Yeah, man, come a country, you know? So we do it a country, different.
You have food?
Eh?
You have food?
Yeah, man.
Take off the boot, man. I have a show to you.
Alright, so no say nothing. Egg. Egg by egg. Alright. Alright, look at it.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So this morning is breadfruit roasting there. Yes, guys. So we have some breadfruit on the fire roast. This is roasting man over here.
Yeah, from one country to the other country.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
The breadfruit here from St. Thomas.
Yeah, man. St. Thomas. Nice.
Yes, man.
Breadfruit. Yeah,
Guys,
we have the maca breadfruit and we have the yellow heart breadfruit. Real breadfruit.
Guys, them breadfruit are nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice like Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys. How much breadfruit we have for us?
Yeah,
8?
you eat, but I roast 4 first. I mean, I want to make up a 2 big of fire, but I have enough food to do the next one. Then I take out them here.
Yes, guys. Enough breadfruit I roast today. So in the morning, we are going to have breadfruit and callaloo with papcho. And later we are going to have chicken back with ackee.
Ackee and chicken back.
Yes,
And
guys.
rice. Long time I don't eat ackee and chicken back and rice, you know. Yeah.
So guys, see you later when the breadfruit finish roast.
Yeah, we're there again now. They are taking the roasting breadfruit, ackee or something. Yeah, my
Yep,
sister.
ackee like this?
Yeah, no,
I don't
ackee,
make it so.
sorry, my mouth missed
What you sorry about?
it. So She eat Callaloo.
I'm not eating anything. And yam.
Jamaican, with the yam. What would the matter about? I eat, you see me? So how it taste? What you go on this? How you go on this?
You know, from Mama J's cooking channel to Mama J's cooking channel. You know the girl for toenails and my eyelash. You know exactly what I mean. Jamaican, you know what I mean. Tastes good.
Yeah, man. Let's remember the James.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Belly.
Yeah.
Rich.
Yeah.
I kick out all the way out, me tell you.
See me? Yeah,
Come on, man.
Deal with it, man. Just me.
Me tell you, man. Fingernail, toenail, where Mama J cooking, me tell you, man.
Tell you, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we can't follow the King Baby lifestyle, boy. You know, yeah. Some more thing what go on, you know?
Mama J is cooking, man. I tell you.
Yeah, you know?
It's nice.
Nice.
Jamaica nice.
Jamaica nice.
And the food even nicer.
You see it? Real, man.
Food nice, man.
So we say, okay, scare come Mama J. See, I share it.
Breadfruit and Callaloo.
You see it?
Mash up the place, guys.
Yeah, man. Today I do it, man. You know?
Oh, the tea. Comfy tea.
Yeah, man.
Mama J? Nah, that you.
The girl for eyelash and toenail
Real, man. You are going good, man. They are going good for real, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. I go for the tea now, guys. I just look a short clip. I make on see what I go on. Maybe I have to jump and grab the camera. Yeah, you know? Yeah, man. I grab the camera and I'm going to see what I go on. Yeah. Everything fresh. Everything fresh, you know? Yeah, man. So the scenery. It's a good old scenery, this, you know, man. I tell you. Nothing nice, man. I tell you, star, you know? Nice scenery, man. You know, sit down in the cool breeze outside and I eat up them thing, yo. Tell you, man, Jamaica paradise, yo. Love it. Yeah, man, for real, man.
Come with chocolate tea. Come with chocolate tea. Come with chocolate tea.
Oh, chocolate tea. I don't know, I think something there. I never know what I'm going to look for. I never know what. So I'm going to check it out. All right, guys. Yeah, man.